Hey guys, welcome back to ProCycle Repair with Ian. Hey, so today I'm actually going to show you guys something new. I don't always work on just motorcycles. Show a simple thing today of how to do a new winch strap install on a boat trailer. So let's get to it. All right, so with the typical boat trailer winch, it looks like this. You got your locking mechanism that flips up. That's where that crank is. You flip it down to disengage. You're gonna wanna unravel all the old strap, just like so. Mine this weekend snapped, so I have to put a new one on. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this main bolt off. That's what holds this pulley in right here. And we're gonna take that out and I'll show you guys what to do. For this particular one, it's a 9/16, but I'm sure they're different for everybody. Second thing also you wanna get is a winch strap. Most of them come with a strap and new gear to lock it down. This one is a 4,000 pound, 20 foot long. That's gonna vary for most boats what you have, but I'm assuming that's gonna be probably perfect for most. This boat in particular is 19 feet long, so just keep that in mind. All right, so I removed that bolt. So it's gonna look like this. And basically it has a bolt holding the strap in, that slide right there. And we're gonna remove that, put our new bolt on, tighten it up, and our new strap, and then we're gonna install this back on and winch it back in. And just make sure you keep everything tight and straight, that way it'll be ready for when you need it. So thanks for watching ProCycle Repair, guys. I do have some exciting videos coming up soon. I got a 2013 Gixxer GSXR 600 rebuild that got in a wreck. And then I also got a surprise coming this winter. So hopefully you guys keep watching my videos, and I look forward to showing you guys some new stuff. Bye.